Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this 2024-2026 Volkswagen Atlas key fob. Here you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. Well, the first thing you need to do is right here in this side of the key fob you see a small button. Now you need to press this button, and when you press it this way you can very easily take this mechanical key and pull it like this. Remove the mechanical key, and when you remove the mechanical key over here, now you need to turn the fob like this with the buttons facing down, and in this hole, right here, you need to insert the mechanical key, the tip of the mechanical key, or the flathead screwdriver like this, and this way you can push this back cover up. And when you push this cover up like this from this side, you'll be able to remove it very easily like this. And right after that, here you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again, it's very easy. Just take the tip of the flat screwdriver, insert it here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery, and also make sure, it's very important to place it with the positive side facing up. So this step here is very important. Okay, now when you place your new battery over here, take this back piece again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And now when you snap them together, just take the mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob just like in the beginning, and right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.